The ogres, oh, they have a hostage. Never mind. The ogres have taken a hostage. Use division to calculate the range to each minefield. Then say the range to fire an artillery shell and destroy the mines. Okay. So, looks like we have the enemy and distance to enemy. Okay. So, looks like the result of the operation distance to enemy divided by 3. And then we say fire. Okay, so this must be hero, say. I'm going to change this to this variable that we defined. Distance to enemy, and then it says to divide it by 1.5. Say these things for motivation. Woo, here we go. Charge. Now use the while loop to attack the enemies. So while true. If enemy let's see. So this is the enemy up here. So if there is an enemy, we're gonna attack them, and we're gonna keep attacking them until they go away. So let's run it.
What a ting! Novosti! What a ting! Novosti! Novosti!
Oh.
Чешин!
What is that, a sword? Because I feel like they could have just dropped out. Oh, it is a sword.
But it's dead!
Oh, it is. Why aren't you attacking that enemy? What happened? What did we do? We messed up. The hostage must survive. We ran out of time. I mean, can I cleave? Well, I guess I can't cleave them. Do I have to attack them twice? Come on. Let's try that.
What a ting! Novosti! What a ting! Novosti! Novosti! Чешин!
What language? Really speaking. It's given Sims. Yeah.
But it's dead!
Why aren't you attacking them? What? I'm so confused. Okay. Maybe? Let's see.
What a ting! Novosti! What a ting!
Confusion.
Novosti! Novosti! Чешин!
Okay, we're blowing it up. We're blowing it up. We're coming through. Cause I'm about to cleave y'all in a minute. Honestly.
But it's dead!
No. Okay. That's not working.
What a ting! Novosti! Novosti!
Absolutza.
Novosti! Novosti! Чешин! Take
Because
that! But it's dead! Ouch!
why aren't we still? What? Let's get a bit. Ask the AI. Let's ask the AI, because what else do you want from me? Define enemy. That's why. That's why. Okay, it's not working because although the enemy is out here, in the while loop, I need to define the enemy again. So that's why. Let's do that. Okay.
What a ting! Novosti! Novosti!
Absolutza.
Novosti! Novosti! Чешин!
Explore.
Take that!
Cool. Okay, so I didn't have to cleave. I could have just attacked like I did before, but you do have to define the variable inside a loop again, so that's good to know. Okay, now stand your ground against a large wall.